Diyan na yung ano, Thailand channel. Diyan sa ano. Malapit na yun sa yun. So yun, oh, yan oh. Sobrang ganda. Yan na yun. Hindi kami galing sa Taytong. Tapos papunta dito sa ano. Tapos, ang punta namin ay Hopoy. Nandun na yung kasama ko, isa. Sobrang ganda. Kita yung mga ano, oh. Kita yung mga ano, bahay. Ayan o. Ganda eh. Punta kami ng Hopoy Reservoir. Ayan na oh. Dili. Ikaw?
Dito ka na lagi init dito.
Hindi kay lamdong pa.
Lagi mo mabait bagyo ko.
Sup. Dalawa lang kami. Oh. Balik na siya. Balik lagi siya. Nakabot na siya kadto. Basi ko siya yung lahos na to, no? Siya gilayuan, siguro ko siya. Balik na sa agi. Isog kay siya ra usog. Kawis na. Ako na mag-short manunta ko. Katong dito sa kuan.
Kaon ka na?
Makaon. No?
Ha?
Makaon. Say sa ato gani kay ano?
Kaplas.
Kapag ka nag-bike diri yun.
Oras na lang.
Mo din balik siya. Balik siya kay wala na gari ko kuana. Ano gyud pa nag-bike? Nagapa nag-bike diri. Diri. Agi sa diri. Hello.
May sanga.
Hello mga bikers diri. Saglisod na yung nagbike diri. Lisod kay agianan no? Ay mga bato-bato ba? Bike gapon. Hit the dance floor. Saan kahag mabaha no? Kusog yung akin din eh. Wala maanob ta. Di po siguro mauwan ro. Ayan o. Kailam channel. Come on to the radio. Hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Saan ang panahon ba dyan, no? Kay ano? Yung kuan ba, way puso. Butangan nagkanang kos kawayan bitaw. Oo. Wajoy tangkaw ng kuan. Continue. Tubi ano siya ba?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.